Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is January 22nd, 2021. Um, hey, today is an activity at school, movie day. I'm not there, obviously. I'm hoping that I can talk with you guys through Zoom, so hopefully we'll be able to get that squared away. I did put a Zoom link uh, on today's Canvas page, but I also think that Mr. Mata is going to see if he can hook in so that we can kind of chat for a minute. Um, we can kind of discuss the situation then. But hey, what I'm going to do today, I'm going to give you a break from anything in the book because it's a short day, right? Okay, so what I'd like you guys to do, I think you only have about, I think it's like 30 to 40 minutes of class. So I want you to split the time between student application and um, independent reading. Okay, today is Friday, which we hardly ever have school on Fridays, but that would mean that we would do what we do on Thursdays, which is turn in your reading log. Okay, so make sure that you get your reading log turned in. Be detailed with that. Um, Guys, at the same time, if you've missed assignments, if you've missed work, I will not. I won't dock you. I won't bring down your scores if you will. We'll just go ahead and get those done. I'll get them graded and give you full credit as long as you give me a full credit effort. Okay. We will finish this up this next week, Monday, Tuesday, and then we'll be into a new workshop. So we'll be done with the drought, the decade of drought, the water crisis workshop. Okay. So um, make sure that your essays are in. That's a very important part. Yesterday I had you guys edit those. If you need to continue to do any work on those, go for it. That'd be great. And we will go from there. So hopefully be able to talk to you guys through Zoom. I'll get this video posted up there so that you at least have some instructions that way, and we can go from there. So thanks so much, guys.